Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Miss.
Hello. I'm happy to see everybody on
Miss.
a Monday afternoon. Okay, hi Alfonso and Oliver, Catherine and Jocelyn, Erin, Jennifer, Rachel, Arga, and Clara. Okay, time check. It is exactly 5 o'clock in the afternoon, Indonesian time. So I hope other kids will be joining us later on. By the way, recording is already on progress. So allow TIS and allow Teacher Jermaine to record this afternoon session. So we will be continuing with our discussion last week. If you can still recall, we were discussing about alphabets. Okay, this topic is easy for other kids, of course. Okay, Honey and Sundara is not here. Okay, I hope other kids will be joining us later on. So we started about alphabets, right? How many alphabets, how many letters do we have in the English alphabet?
26, Miss.
Very good. And those 26 letters, and that we have, okay, good. Hani and Sundara is already here. Okay, ASUS is also here. Same with Clara and Arga. Okay, those 26 letters, we have vowels and we also have consonants. So, excuse me, how many vowels do we have? Hmm. How
5.
many vowels? Very good, Oliver. We have 5 vowels. What are those, Oliver?
A, I, U, E, O.
Very good. Okay, doing good, Oliver. So those are the 5 vowels. Jennifer, can you say it again, Jennifer?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what are the 5 vowels?
One, Miss.
Yes, what are the 5 vowels, Jennifer? A,
A, I, apain tadi kamu? Enggak, aku enggak kenapa-napa, enggak pencet.
okay, so those are the 5 vowels of the English alphabet. So the rest, they are called, what do you call that one? They are called consonants. Okay, Letitia is already here. Mm-hmm. Let's have first a reading activity. Let us have first a reading activity. Do you have my screen now?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, can I talk first to by the way, who's hey okay. ASOS, I'll be muting you first, okay? So let's have first a reading activity, then afterwards I'll be asking questions about the names of the pictures. I will be starting with Rachel.
Yes, Miss.
How are you? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss. I'm fine.
Yeah, can I start with you, Rachel? I just want
Okay,
you to read the names of the words and the names of the
okay,
pictures.
okay, Miss.
Am I sharing my screen, Rachel?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, start reading now.
Apple,
Can you see? Yes,
apple,
Rachel. Okay, next.
ball, cat, dog, elephant, fish, gorilla,
What's the first letter of the word gorilla? What's the first letter?
G,
Can you give me the sound of letter G?
G,
Mm. How do we sound letter G? Rachel, it sounds.
G,
Come again. Sound it.
G,
It's a
G,
hard sound.
G,
It's.
G, G,
Yeah, that's good. Come again. One more time.
G, G.
Good. Thank you, Rachel.
You're welcome, Miss.
Can I move now to Jocelyn?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
Hat, insect, juice, kangaroo, lion, monkey, nose,
What's the first letter, Jocelyn?
N.
How many vowels in nose? How many vowels?
How many?
Nose.
Yes, hi, Abraham. Jocelyn, how many vowels does the word nose?
I'm sorry, but I don't know what is vowel.
Why you don't know what a vowel is?
I don't really know about it.
Vowel is
Mm-hmm.
vocal.
Oh! Oh,
Oliver, how do you call vowel in your language? It is?
uh,
It is
em-
vocal.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Oliver. Jocelyn, did you get what Oliver said?
wait.
Says?
So vowel is kata, like words.
For a while. I'll have to share another one. Um, I think I'll just- How about this, Jocelyn? Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. Here are the five vowels. How do you call this one in your language? Vowels. In English, we call it vowels. So we have letter A for a while. So we have letter A, E, I, O, and U.
Yeah.
Again, A, E, I, O, U. Of course, if you're going to enumerate it, it can be interchanged depending on what vowel do you recognize or remember first.
Oh.
Jos yes, Jocelyn, do you get it now? What vowels are?
I kind of get it a little bit.
Okay, you finally get it. If we have vowels, we also have here consonants. Okay, the rest of, do you know what alphabets are, Jocelyn?
Alphabet is
Yes.
is like words.
Mm-hmm. Alphabets are letters.
Um.
Oh, because when we say words, words has letters joined together in order to form a word or syllables. And a syllable, example, a syllable contains letters. That's why being joined together, that's the time that you can going to read it. form it together into one word. Okay, if you this one. Just a review, kids, just a review. Here are the letters of the alphabets, right?
Yeah.
26 letters. Okay, that 26 letters comprises the five vowels. And
Vowel.
you also have the 21 consonants. Okay. It is important, it is important to identify what a vowel is and what vowels and what consonants are. Okay?
Okay.
Jocelyn, what are the five vowels, Jocelyn? We have
A, E, I, O, U.
okay, good. Abraham, what are the five vowels? Abraham,
A, E, I, O, U.
very good. Sundara, what are the five vowels?
A,
Sundara, what are the five vowels? Continue. A,
A, E,
I,
N,
then
I, I,
yes. O,
O,
excuse me.
O,
Okay, O, and letter, hmm, letter U, right?
U.
Yeah, okay, U. So again, A, E, I, O, U. So the five vowels. Jocelyn, wow, very good. I already have 18 of you now. Jocelyn, let's go back to this one. We ended with the slide. How do we read this, Jocelyn?
Nose.
Yes. My question a while ago, how many, what do you call that one? How many vowels do we have
Is
for
it
that word?
is it two?
Yes. What are the two vowels?
O and E.
Very good. And letter N and letter S are what we call
Con
consonants.
yeah, consonant. Consonant.
Okay. Again, Jocelyn, how do we call letter N and letter S?
Consonant.
Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome, miss.
I'll move now to Letitia. Letitia. Letitia, hello. Not here. Orlando, hello.
Yeah, miss.
Okay. I want you to read this one, Orlando.
Octopus.
Okay, next. Orlando, please continue.
Big. P. Pig. Q. Queen.
Queen, good. This one.
R. Ring. S. Sun. T. Train. U. Umbrella.
Okay, come again. What is this word? Orlando, it is
U.
um
Umbrella.
umbrella. Orlando, how many vowels do we have? How many vowels do we have in the word umbrella?
Egg.
Um, Teacher is not asking about the letters, but how many vowels do we have in umbrella?
One.
Come again.
One.
Mm-hmm. Do we have vowel for umbrella?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe. Mm-hmm. Maybe Honey. Thank you, Orlando. Maybe Honey would like to help. Honey, Honey, Honey. Oh, where are the kids? Okay, if not Honey, can I talk to Erin? Erin.
Yes, miss.
Hey, Erin, how many vowels do we have in the word umbrella?
3, miss.
Yes, three. What are those, Erin?
U, E, A.
Very good. Those are the three vowels. Okay. Erin, I want you to read this one.
Van, watch, box, yellow, zoo.
Very good. Thank you, Erin.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay. Before I will be introducing a new topic today, I have I have here activities, Miss. I'm sorry. Yes, it's okay, Orlando. Okay. It's a very easy one. Okay. You know, this activity is really for small kids. So I hope those who are advanced still find this activity interesting. Okay. So it's for, okay, you are going to identify the letter that each picture starts with. Okay. Although the picture is really not that, what do you call that one? Not that realistic, but I hope you can figure out what the picture would like to show, or each picture show would like to portray. Okay, I'll start with Catherine for the first one.
Yes, teacher.
What do you think is this, Catherine?
It's frog, teacher.
Yes, and it starts with letter.
F.
Okay, we have here this one, letter F. Okay, next, Catherine, what is this picture?
It's bird, teacher.
Yes, it's a bird, and it starts with letter.
B.
Okay, letter B. Because what are these letters, Catherine? The two remaining letters. This one is letter.
S, N, Q.
Okay, but bird starts with letter. Again, Catherine.
B.
Okay, it starts with letter B. Okay, there you go. Okay, thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, teacher will be the one to encircle it. Okay, let's move now. How do you go this? Oh, how do we do that? Okay, let's move now to these two pictures below. I'll talk to Yuda. Yuda. Hello. Yuda, hello. Okay. Uh-huh. Yes, you're opening your microphone, Yuda. Hello.
Halo, coba.
Hello. Big.
Hi.
Big.
Okay, this one is a pig, Yuda, right? So you have here letter. Yes.
A big.
Okay, so we have here, what letter is this, Yuda?
Uh,
Okay,
P.
next.
P. Yeah. P. P.
Ah, yeah. Pig starts with letter P. Okay, it starts with letter P. Because this one is letter. What letter is this, Yuda? The one that I highlighted?
Yeah.
This one is
Why? Why?
Y. Very
Why?
good. This one, Yuda. What is this?
Uh,
Letter?
L.
Okay. Yes, very
L.
good. It's letter L. So pig starts with, is it L, Y, or letter P?
E. Is
Letter
the
P.
P.
Very good. Okay. It's a
P.
letter P. Okay, next, Yuda. What is this one?
P.
What's this one? What do you think is this? Do you know what a
P.
spider
P.
is?
A
Let's move to the next
spider.
picture.
Coba. Oh ya, bentar, bentar. Pindahin
It's
dulu.
a,
Pindahin. Oh, ini.
okay, you listen to teacher. This picture
Ya.
here is
Spider.
yeah, it's
Spider.
a spider web. Okay, web.
Oh,
Yuda,
The
okay,
spider.
it's a
Spider.
web.
oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
It's a
White.
web. So, is it, does it start with letter T, W, or letter H?
W. H.
Come
H.
again.
I. Wait.
Is it letter
W.
W? Uh-huh.
W.
Okay, come again. You listen to teacher. I say web. Web. So is it T, W, or H? Yuda?
T. W.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Okay, it
H.
is double U. So we say,
W.
okay, W. It starts with W. Okay.
W.
Thank you, Yuda.
Yes,
Thank
Miss.
you.
Yes, miss.
Yes, very good. Okay, okay. Let's move now to another one. Can I have now Oliver?
Dengerin. Miss yang ngomong dengerin ya.
Thank you, Yuda. Can I have Oliver now?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay, Oliver, what is this picture here?
Um,
Oh, I think it will rain. Do you think,
Glasses.
come again?
Glasses.
Yeah, glasses, a pair of glasses. Okay, Oliver, what letter is this? The first one. What letter is this?
G.
Next, this one.
G. G. G.
How
G.
about the next?
V.
Okay, if teacher will say glasses, you said glasses. That is, the picture starts with letter.
G.
Yes, you have here letter G. Very good. Okay, thank you. No, no. That's good, Oliver. Next picture, Oliver. What is this? What's this
Owl.
one? Come again.
Owl.
Owl, owl,
Owl.
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 Not owl. You say owl. Owl, not
Owl.
owl. Okay. What letter is this, Oliver? This one.
E.
Next one.
I.
The next one.
O.
Okay, now the word owl. Owl starts with what letter, Oliver?
O.
Is this letter O, Oliver?
Yes.
Yes, it's letter O. Thank
O.
you. Very good. Thank you, Oliver.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, good. Let's move now. Uh-huh. It's not. I need to erase this one first. Okay, let's move now to the next pictures. Look at that one. What are those? I would like to talk to. Okay, can I have can I have Rayhan? Rayhan. If you notice, the pictures are not that realistic, but I hope you can see what those two pictures are. Rayhan, hello.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, good afternoon. Let's start with this. What is the picture? What is this, Rayhan? Mm-hmm.
Hamster and bee.
It's a hamster. It looks like a hamster, yeah. Okay, but this one is based on the letters here, it's a mouse.
Oh, mouse.
Does it look like a mouse? Okay. Rayhan, how about what letter
Bee.
is this, Rayhan? Look at my screen, please. Please look at my screen. What letter?
Itu lihat di situ.
What letter, Rayhan? This one. Letter. Okay.
M.
M. Next one. Letter.
U.
Hmm. Good. How about the next letter?
Z.
Letter Z. Rayhan. Z.
C.
Okay. Teacher will say again the letters M, U, and Z. If we have mouse, 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 what is the beginning letter for mouse?
Mouse.
Yes. What's the beginning letter? It starts with
M.
letter? Okay,
M.
very good. It starts with letter. It starts
M.
with letter M. Okay. Thank you, Rayhan.
You welcome, Miss.
Abraham. Abraham.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, hello. What is this? What's the
B.
picture? Yes,
B.
it's a B. Very good. What letter is this, Abraham?
O.
Next one.
X.
Next.
B.
B. Okay, the word B. B. Starts with what letter, Abraham?
B.
Okay, it starts with letter B. Very
B.
good. Okay. Abraham, this one, the next picture. What's this one? Here, the green one. What is this?
Snake.
Yes, it's a snake. What's the color of the snake? Green. It's color green. Can you please tell me, Abraham, what letter is this? B. Come again. B. Next. S. Next one. R. Very good. Snake. Snake. Starts with what letter? S. Is this letter S, Abraham? Yes. Very good. Okay. Move now to the next, Abraham. This is what's this one? Look at the, oh, it's
Lion.
it's a sad lion. What's the color of the lion?
Yeah. Yellow.
It's color yellow. What letter is this, Abraham?
L.
Next one.
W.
And the last one is, how
P.
about this? Okay, lion. Lion starts with what letter? L, W, or
L.
B? Letter L. Is this letter L, Abraham?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you, Abraham. Good job.
You're welcome.
Okay, next, I would like to talk to Jennifer again. Jennifer,
Yes, Miss.
okay,
It's fish.
is, what is the what is this, Jennifer?
It's a fish.
Good. What letter is this?
Star with letter is F.
Okay, good. Okay, you already give the correct answer. Letter F. How about the next picture, Jennifer?
Crab
Come again.
is a crab.
Okay. Can you give me the spelling of crab? How do we spell crab?
C-R-A-B.
Very good. Crab starts with what letter?
Star with letter C.
This letter C, Jennifer.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Jennifer.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, good. I still have one last for that. One last. Okay, very easy. I will be going to talk to Greece. Greece.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good afternoon. How are you, Greece?
I'm fine, Miss. How are you today, Miss?
Teacher feels good. Thank you for asking. What is this, Greece?
This is a apple.
Okay, it's an apple. Okay, what
Apple.
letter? Yes, what letter is this, Greece?
B.
Next.
A.
Next one.
T.
But the word apple. Apple starts with what letter?
A.
Is
Letter
this letter
A.
A? Is that
Yes.
letter A? Very good. Next one, Greece. This is,
Hot dog.
it's hot dog. Okay.
Hot,
What
hot
letter,
dog.
Greece?
Hey.
Next, H.
H.
Next
F.
one.
V.
Okay.
F.
Okay, last, it's,
Q.
come again.
Um. Q. F.
P.
F. P. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
P.
Yeah, it is letter P. What do you think is the beginning word for hot dog? I mean, the beginning letter for hot dog.
Hey. He.
Come again. Letter
He. He.
H.
He's. Huh?
Say it again. H.
H.
Come again. H.
H.
Very good. Thank you so much, Grace.
You're welcome, Miss.
Yes, teacher is happy. Thank you, Grace.
You're welcome, Miss.
Yes. Okay, let's move now to the last two pictures. I would like to talk to um Aaron. Aaron, is this Aaron? Aaron.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. I know this is very easy for you, Aaron, but I just want you to answer, okay? This picture is,
A hamburger. Hamburger.
come again.
Burger.
Okay, it's a hamburger. So what is the beginning letter for hamburger?
H.
Okay, H. Is this letter H, Aaron?
Yes.
Okay, that's letter H. Okay, how about the next one? What is this?
A sandwich.
Come again?
That is a sandwich.
It's a sandwich, right?
Yes.
Yes, and the beginning letter is
S.
letter.
That is S.
Okay, letter S. Aaron, letter T, D, H, R, X, and S. Are these vowels or consonants?
Consonants.
Very good. Those are consonants. Thank you, Aaron.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, let us credit, I've used these activities from the K5learning.com. Okay, so let's have this one. I want you to name the pictures, then directly you say the beginning letter. Example, elephant. It begins with letter E. Pizza. Okay, you say that one, okay? Give the name, kids, kids. Give the name, then give its beginning letter. Give the name, then give its beginning letter. Okay, I will be having Rachel, can I have you for the first three pictures?
Okay, Miss.
Rachel?
Yeah, Miss.
Yes. What's the first one?
Elephant.
Okay, you say the beginning letter is.
E.
Okay, next picture. Got the next one.
The first picture.
No, the next one. This one. What is this?
Pizza.
Okay, beginning letter is.
P.
Okay, teacher will be writing it. Next, what is this?
Cat.
Letter.
C.
Letter C. Okay, thank you, Rachel.
You're welcome, Miss.
Can I move now to Arga?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, tell me the
L.
picture. Come again.
L.
L for this one? What is this? What is this one? It is a kids. What is this one? What's the next picture?
Heart.
Heart. Love.
It's a
H.
On heart.
H.
yes. It's a heart. So what's the beginning, Arga?
H.
Okay, I'll be writing the small letter. Okay, next, Arga. What's this?
R.
What is this one? What's the picture?
Rainbow.
Okay, it starts with letter R. Next, last.
Kite.
Okay, letter
K.
Okay, you have letter K. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, last set of pictures here. I will be having. I wasn't able to call Shitya.
Yes.
Shitya.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is this, Shitya?
Sun.
Okay, it's a sun. And how do we? I mean, what's the beginning letter?
S.
Come again.
S.
Okay, S. Next. What is this?
Stick.
It's a bat. It's used in
But
playing. How do you call that one? Is that, I think it's not soccer. What game is that one wherein you're going to use the ball and it's a bat. B-A-T. So what's the beginning letter? Letter.
B.
Okay, you have letter B. Next sheet, yeah, this is.
Orange.
Okay, starts with letter.
O.
Letter O. Good. Thank you, Shitya. Okay, next one. I'll go back to can I have Sundara this time? Sundara. Other kids are not opening their camera. Okay, Sundara. Hello, Sundara.
Hello,
Hello.
teacher.
Is Honey with you, Sundara? She's not
Sorry,
around.
teacher. No.
Oh,
We have an exam.
oh, okay. Yes, ma'am. Honey has an exam. Okay, Sundara. What? Okay,
Sorry,
what
teacher.
is the? It's okay,
Permission.
ma'am. It's okay, ma'am. Sundara, what picture is this? Excuse me.
G.
It's a it's a mushroom.
M.
Mm. Yeah, very good. So you have letter M. Very good. How about this picture? What is this, Sundara? What do you think is this, Sundara? It's a
P.
it's oh yeah, it because it is a penguin. Starts with letter P. Mm. Here, we have here an example of a last picture, Sundara. It is a, in general, how do we call this one? It's a flag, right? Okay, Sundara, follow teacher, say flag, flag.
Flat.
Okay, what is the beginning letter for flag? Flag. Letter.
F.
Very good. Okay. Is this letter F, Sundara? Big letter F and small letter F? Oh, teacher's drawing is not good.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Thank you, Sundara.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay. So, oh wow, very good, Erin. Baseball. Okay, so you have that baseball ball, then you have the bat, and you're going to hit it using the bat. That's good. Thank you, Erin. Okay. So I hope with that activity, what do you call that one? You get to familiarize more about letters, especially the beginning letters of certain words. Okay. So this afternoon, we still have time, so let us continue. Mhm. Let us, okay. For those who were with me, teacher was able to discuss this one before, but I hope you can still recall it so that it will be easy for you, okay, to understand this lesson. Erin, how do we read this one, Erin?
Articles, miss.
Okay, everybody will say articles. Articles.
Articles.
Articles.
Yes, very good. Erin, how do we spell articles? Erin, what's the spelling?
R C
Uh,
I
A.
A R C I C L E S.
Articles. So, teacher will be discussing about articles. Catherine, I want you to read the definition of articles or what are articles.
Articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun.
Read the example.
Example, the boy,
Ah,
a bee, and apple.
very good. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So take kids, if you don't want to write, maybe you take a photo. If you don't want to take a photo, simply you just understand what is our lesson, okay? So articles are words. Okay, it is a word that comes before a noun. So teacher will be discussing to you the articles a and the article a and article an. A, an. Mhm. When are we going to use a and when are we going to use an? That is why teacher was discussing about consonants and vowels because this lesson is connected to consonants and vowels. Okay, let's start with a. Mm. Let's start with a. Jocelyn, can you read this one, Jocelyn?
Okay. Use a in front of words that start with a consonant sound.
Okay, I want you to read it again.
Uh,
Jocelyn.
okay. Use a in front of words that start with a consonant.
Okay, so you have there a or a that is for consonant. Okay, for consonant sounds or consonant with letters with consonant sounds. That letters with consonants. You use a or a.
Uh,
So yes, yes, Jocelyn.
no. I forgot to mute.
Okay, teacher will say it again. Okay, you're going to use the article a for consonant for words that starts with a consonant. Okay, example. You have here a man, a man. Why are we going to use a? Because man starts with letter M. Next, a lamp. Why a? Because lamp starts with letter L and it's a consonant. Okay? Another one. We say a cat. A cat. Why a? Because cat starts with letter C and it's a consonant. Okay? Consonant. Let's have another example in here. So, Abraham, please read Abraham.
A fan.
Okay. This one is letter. What's letter, Abraham?
F.
Consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Yes, it's a consonant. That's why we say a fan. If you say an fan, that's wrong. We say a fan. Why? Because letter F is a consonant. Okay, take note of that. Why a or a? Because F is a consonant. Abraham, next one.
A pen.
Come again. A.
Pen.
Read.
A pen.
Okay, what's the beginning letter for pen? What's the beginning letter?
P.
Okay, we have P. Vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Yes, it is a consonant.
Consonant.
So that's why we use a. Okay, thank you, Abraham.
You're welcome, Miss.
Um, okay, here are other examples. Okay, of nouns or words that uses the article a. Okay, I will be having Arga first to read everything. The first and the second one. Okay, start with this, Arga.
Okay, Miss. 1. A bag. 2. A car. 3. A man. 4. A hat.
Next.
5. A fan. 6. A map. 7. A dog. 8. A pen.
Okay, good. Thank you, Arga.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, so next one, you don't have to say the number, okay? Just read it directly. Okay, thank you. Katrina, are you here, Katrina? Oh, it started to rain. Katrina? Okay, if not Katrina, can I have Letitia? Okay. Letitia, hello? Okay. If not, yes, Letitia.
Yes.
Okay. I'll have you, can I ask you to read?
A bag. A car. A man. A hat.
Okay, next one. Here.
A fan. A map. A dog. A pen.
Very good. Thank you, Letitia.
You're welcome.
Okay. So, oh, sorry. I'm very sorry for that one. So sorry for that. My throat is aching. It's itchy. Okay. Abraham, can I also ask you to read, Abraham?
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Okay, please read, Abraham.
A bag. A car. A man. A hat. A van. A mat. A dog. A pen.
Very good. Thank you, Abraham.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay. So again, take note of that one. We use the article a. Okay, if a certain word starts with a consonant. Okay, take note of that. Consonant. Let's move now to the article an. An. Catherine, can I ask you to read, Catherine?
Okay, teacher. Use an in front of words with a vowel sound.
Okay, examples, please, Catherine.
Example, an apple, an eraser, an umbrella.
Okay, apple starts with what letter, Catherine? Apple.
A,
How about eraser?
E,
Umbrella.
U,
Okay, A, E, and U are consonants or vowels, Catherine?
vowels, teacher.
Okay, that's why we use the article. What article?
An,
We use an. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Catherine.
you're welcome, teacher.
I will also be asking Jocelyn to read. Jocelyn again.
Oh, okay. Um.
This one, everything.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. Use an in front of words with a vowel sound.
Okay, examples.
Wait, do I read this?
Yes.
Okay. An apple, an eraser, an umbrella.
Okay. Where was that one? Okay. Okay, this one. Jocelyn, still you?
Okay. An apple, an arrow, an egg, an envelope.
Okay. So what article was being used for the words? We have the article.
I'm sorry, what now?
Okay, we use the article an, right?
Yes.
Yes. Why are we using an for those words?
Because it's a vowel sound.
Oh, yes, exactly. Because the words starts with a vowel sound. Very good. Thank you, Jocelyn.
No problem, miss.
Okay, kids, again for everyone. And you're going to use an for words with a vowel sound or that starts with a vowel sound. Do not forget about it. Okay. I'll be having Rachel to read the other examples in here. Rachel.
Yes, miss.
Okay, please read.
And often, and
Yes.
owl,
Owl.
owl,
Okay, next
and
one.
ice, and ice, and ice cream.
Okay, can I ask you to read it again? Everything, Rachel.
Yes, miss. And often, and owl, and ice cream.
Okay. Can I ask you why are we using an? Why do we say an oven, not a oven? Because
Because um
for example, for oven, it starts with letter.
O is
Okay, and letter
vowels.
O, yes, it's a vowel.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, Rachel.
You're welcome, miss.
Oliver.
Miss.
Hmm, Oliver. Can you read this one? The word, this one, Oliver.
Yeah,
Yes. How do you read that?
ice.
Yes. Why are we using an? An ice. Why not a
Because,
ice? Why not that one?
because it start the letter I.
Okay, and letter I is a
Vowel.
very
I.
good. Could you say it again, Oliver? We use an because
Because it's this vowel.
yes, because letter I is a vowel. Please take okay, please do not forget about it. Thank you, Oliver.
You're welcome.
Okay, very good. It's almost time, but can we answer this one before we end? Okay, let's have this one. Okay, should we use a or an for the following? Use a or an for the following. Okay, number one. Number one, Jennifer, please. Number one.
Yes, miss. An apple. An apple.
Okay, thank you. Catherine, number two.
Often.
Very good. Shetya, number three.
A book.
Come again.
A book.
Good. Irene, number four. Irene,
An egg.
very good. Arga, number five.
A table.
Very good. Arga, please read everything. Arga, number one to number five.
Okay, miss. 1. An apple. 2. An oven. 3. A book. 4. An egg. 5. A table.
Very good. Thank you, Arga.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, before we end, when are we going to use a? When are we going to use a? The article a. If the word starts with a,
Consonant.
for consonants. Very good, Catherine. How about an? An.
Vowels.
Vowel.
Okay, very good. That is for vowels. Kids, please do not forget about it, okay? Then we will be continuing our discussion next Monday. Teacher is very happy to see all of you today. Okay, I hope all of you also are very happy to see me.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I'm happy.
Thank you. I'll I'll
Happy
see you. I'll see you at I'll see everyone next meeting. Thank you, kids. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
Bye.
bye.
Good
Bye,
night.
teacher.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Enjoy
miss.
the rest of the evening.
Bye.
Thank you, Rachel, Letitia, Katrina. Thank you. Thank you, Yuda.
Thank you, Miss. See you next time.
Bye-bye. See you next time again. Jennifer, thank you.